Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question why does your Google Photos missing? You have to start by open Google Photos application and firstly click at the profile icon at the right top and make sure that you sign in into your correct account. You can click at the arrow icon, and if you have multiple accounts, you can switch to another account, or you can also add your account. After that, also make sure that you turn on the backup. So again, profile icon, right here we have backup. If it's turned off, it will show you the button turn on backup, so click on it. Then select original quality or storage saver and click confirm. And now your photos start uploading to the Google Photos. If you have the stable internet connection. Now also I recommend to go to collections and check your photos firstly in the archive. If your photos in archive, you can check them in the albums using search, but not in the main photos feed. So just open it and check what photos you have. Also check locked folder and the photo from locked folder. You cannot find them in the main photos feed, you cannot find them using albums or in the using search. You need to write a password from your phone to enter into locked folder. So check right here. Also, if you remove the photo from locked folder, you will permanently delete it. So we cannot restore it. And also check the trash right here at the top, or at the bottom we have the trash. So enter here, and if you have your photos in the trash, if you delete them, you can easily restore them. So you can or select multiply photos, or you can also select all these photos by clicking the three dots, then select, and right here restore all or delete all. If you select some photos, you will have delete and restore. If you delete your photos from the trash, you will also permanently delete them. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!